everyone. Hello guys. I just want to say I'm not a digital creator or expert sa paggawa ng mga reels, but I am actually an online business owner who uses social media platforms like YouTube, this Facebook, right? Pinterest. I have LinkedIn, TikTok, and Instagram para sa business ko kasi it's a web-based business. So dahil digital ang business ko, I can literally work anywhere I want. Kahit nasa bahay lang ako tulad ngayon, natutulog yung anak ko, and meron akong free time, I can do this business. So nasa break ako sa work, I'm doing my business, right? Or kahit nagka-camping kami, like this year, nag-camping kami for like 3 times this year, and I still do my online business on the side, kahit 2 to 3 hours, or pag nasa labas ako, like I'm camping, an hour lang, I was just checking inquiries, right? So basta meron akong internet connection, nadala ko yung smartphone ko, or minsan yung laptop ko, kaya ko tong gawin kahit nasaan ako. So hindi ko kailangan ng 8 hours shift. 1 to 3 hours a day lang talaga yung ginugugol ko sa business na ito. And of course, if I have extra time, inaabot ako ng 4 hours, 4 to 5 hours para marami akong matako. So kung curious ka kung anong klaseng business ito, panoorin mo yung itong Go Live nito kasi it's gonna be all about my online business. So a little bit about me. Ako nga pala si Jackie, guys. This is my business page. Kasama ko yung asawa ko dito sa business page na to, and his name is Kyle. We started our online business which is like 2 years ago, and I'm originally from the Philippines. Yung asawa ko dito sa Canada, and I was born and raised in Manila, guys, and dumating ako dito sa Canada noong 2007, and as a live-in caregiver. So naging nanny ako when I came here in Canada, and for 2.5 years nagtrabaho ako sa iba't ibang bahay, naglinis, nag-babysit, lahat para lang matulungan or itatuyod ko yung sarili ko, and of course matulungan ko yung parents ko na dati nakatira sa Philippines. Of course, tayo mga Pinoy, nagpapadala tayo monthly, so isa ako sa inyo, pareho ko kayo na nagsusustento, and of course kasama yon sa atin na mga Pinoy na tumulong sa mga parents natin back. So currently I've been working as a supervisor sa sikat na coffee shop sa buong mundo, and actually this year and this month, November, nag-celebrate ako ng 30 years ko as a supervisor sa coffee shop na ito. And pero nung nagkaanak kami ng asawa ko, na-realize namin ng asawa ko na kahit maganda yung trabaho namin, maganda yung mga benefits namin na nakukuha, yung asawa ko nag-work sa isang retail store din na sikat sa North America, and kahit maganda yung benefits namin, full-time yung mga hours namin, right? Hindi pa rin sapat yung kinikita namin para sa pamilya namin. So madalas nagagalaw namin yung mga savings, and as much as possible, ayaw talaga namin na ginagalaw yung savings namin para sa emergency funds or savings para sa future ng anak namin, para lang punan talaga yung mga monthly expenses. That's why I started my online business in 2022. So guys, I was on maternity leave noon, and 1-year-old pa lang si Harrison noon, yung anak ko. And ano mo yun, gusto namin ng asawa ko na mabigyan ng anak namin ng magandang future. Ayoko maranasan niya yung hirap na pinagdaanan ko noon. Of course, lahat nag-umpisa sa Philippines. Pero kahit nandito ako sa Canada, kahit dollars yung kinikita ko, hindi pa rin talaga sapat kasi dollars din naman yung binabayad ko sa mga rent, sa mga expenses, right? As parents, responsibilidad talaga natin yung future ng mga anak natin, right? So, habang tumatanda sila or lumalaki sila, tayo din tumatanda ng mga magulang nila. Kaya, importante na habang kaya pa ng mga katawan natin, we work smart, not just hard, okay? Ayokong mabaon kami sa mga utang at puro trabaho lang ang buhay. Kasi ako naniniwala ako, gusto ko na ma-enjoy ang life kasama yung family ko, yung mga parents ko na tumatanda na rin, and yung asawa ko, and yung anak ko. And makita yung milestones talaga ng anak namin at makapag-travel sa mundo. Of course, umpisahan namin dito sa Canada. Pero syempre, pag nagta-travel, nandun yung napakamahal na mga expenses, right? So, gusto talaga namin na mag-travel kami without thinking kung saan kami kukuha ng expenses. So, I really do think that this online business is the answer. So, this online business gave me hope. Dati, skeptical din kami ng asawa ko. Pero mas nangibabaw talaga sa amin yung mga pangarap namin. Kaya, tinuloy namin yung journey na to. Mas nangibabaw yung excitement, yung mga goals namin, yung mga posibilidad na pwedeng mangyari, mga success, na mga goals namin na ma-achieve namin. Nangibabaw lahat yon kaysa sa takot. So, salamat sa guidance, sa mga dasal, leap of faith, kasi nandito na kami ngayon. So, thousands of people, guys, around the world are using the same system, automated system. And, of course, successful din silang lahat. So, why this business might be for you? Kaya ako nag-go live right now kasi I want to share yung mga benefits na meron itong business na ito. So, you don't have to be tech savvy. Hindi mo kailangan magaling sa computer dahil lahat naman natututunan, and of course, it's all web-based video-based training. And of course, you have a mentor. I'll be your mentor, and you'll have a coach, and you can always message us anytime, any day. And we don't do selling. We don't convince. Wala kang kailangan aluhin or kumbinsihin na pamilya or kaibigan. Hindi tayo nagbebenta dito. So, if you wanna start your online business and isa ka sa tulad ko na introvert and ayaw mag-alok, gusto mo bumili ng kandila, alam mo yun, gusto mo ba bumili ng lip balm, wala tayong gagawin na ganyan, hindi tayo magsiselling. Global reach ang nagagawa ng business nito. So, kahit nasan ka sa mundo, pwede mo itong gawin. And tuturo ko rin kung paano ginagawa ang advertising. Lahat yun kasama and no extra cost. So, this business is tax registered. It's a legitimate business. Nagre-report kami ng income yearly. Plus, may step-by-step video training na makakatulong sa'yo para masundan mo yung system at maging successful ka rin tulad namin. And kahit part-time, swak sa schedule mo. Kung gusto mo gawin to ng part-time, gusto mo gawin to ng full-time, it really depends on your schedule. Kung busy ka tulad ko, I do this 2-3 hours a day, and pagka-day off ako ng Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I usually do mahabang oras, magigising ako lagi ng maaga, and I'm doing it for 3 hours, and then sa gabi I will do it for 5 videos kasi I want to learn more. And ako, personally, I treat this business as my source of income aside from my day job. Ginagawa ko, my day job would be my plan B. Ito ang plan B ko. So, because I want to have that mindset, right? So, tuturo ko lahat sa iyo if you want to start this business. So, guys, I would suggest visit my website. I'm gonna post the link down below, and all you have to do is register your full name and your email. Make sure it's valid para mapanood mo yung webinar para mas maintindihan mo siya. Kasi kulang kung ako lang ang magsasalita, kulang kung ako lang ang magsasabi sa iyo lahat-lahat. It's better if there's like a video, and yung video na yun super helpful. And doon din ako nag-umpisa when I started 2 years ago, January 2022, when I started. Nakita ko yung video ad ng coach ko, and I watched the free workshop, and na-excite ako, and alam ko sa sarili ko, alam ko sa puso ko na ito yung makakatulong sa amin ang asawa ko. And yes, we're gonna retire early. Yes, we're gonna buy our home. We're not gonna rent anymore. And yes, this actually will help my child's future kasi pwede kong ipamana sa kanya. So, remember guys, hindi aksidente na makita mo yung post ko, yung mga post ko, like mga video post, picture post, or hindi aksidente na napapanood mo tong go live ko right now. Minsan, pag dadasal tayo, humihingi tayo ng sign sa Panginoon. Ito yung mga signs na lumalapit sa atin, and minsan nabubulag tayo, akala natin na hindi ito yun, pero aksidente lahat, like, right? Like, everything happens for a reason, and hindi lang aksidente na nakikita mo ako ngayon. So, I would suggest like checking this opportunity, kasi hindi lahat ng tao is nagkakaroon ng chance na makita tong klaseng amazing online business. So, I'm looking forward to helping you, building your own successful business too, and live the life that you've always dreamed of. Alam ko marami kang gusto sa buhay, and yeah, like, tutulungan kita ma-achieve that yun. So, I think that's it for me. And if you have any questions, just simply message me, and I'll message you back personally. So, ingat kababayan, and have a good night. Happy Saturday, everybody. Bye.